In today's video, I will walk you through how to download artifacts from Claude AI. First, open the artifact you want to save in your Claude session. Simply click the artifact, and it will open in its own dedicated pane, typically on the right side of the screen. Take a moment to review the artifact in this pane and confirm that you have selected the correct one. This is especially helpful when there are multiple versions available in the session. Make sure the artifact shown is the one you want to download before continuing. Next, look for the export or download controls in the bottom right corner of the artifact window. This is where you'll find the options for getting the artifact out of Claude. You may see a download option, a copy to clipboard option, and a view underlying code option. The download option saves the artifact as a file on your device. The copy to clipboard option copies the content so you can paste it somewhere else. The View Underlying Code option is available for artifacts that have code behind them and lets you view the source. For this tutorial, the option you need is Download. Depending on your screen size, these controls may appear as labeled buttons or as small icons. If you're not sure which icon is which, hover over the controls to display their labels. Once you find Download, click it. After you click Download, your browser will either open a save dialog or use its default download behavior. If a save dialog appears, choose where you want to store the file on your computer. Select a folder where you want the downloaded artifact to be saved. You can choose the location that works for your files, such as a project folder or your documents folder. If the save dialog allows you to change the file name, keep the name clear and descriptive so you can find the file later. If your browser automatically saves downloaded files to a downloads folder, you can leave the artifact there or move it afterward. The important part is knowing where the file was saved. The file type will match the type of artifact you're downloading. Text documents may be saved as Markdown or plain text. Images may be saved as PNG or JPG. Code will use the relevant file extension. Once the download is complete, the artifact is saved as a file on your device. You can then locate it in the folder you selected or in your browser's default downloads location if no save dialog appeared. The process is straightforward. Start by opening the artifact you want to save. Click the artifact to open it in its dedicated pane, then review the content to make sure you've selected the correct version. After that, move to the bottom right corner of the artifact window and find the export controls. Locate the download option and click it. If a save dialog appears, choose the location where you want the file stored. If your browser saves the file automatically, check the downloads folder for the completed file. Remember that the downloaded file type depends on the artifact. Documents, images, and code will use their corresponding file formats. That's it. Open the artifact, review it, find the export controls in the lower right corner, and click Download. Then choose a save location if you're prompted. The artifact will be saved as a file in the selected location or your browser's default downloads folder. Thank you for watching.